stuck in her, and don't worry about it.
Well, get her over there then. Ken. God.
This is good for them. They need to get outside and have some sports.
Watch the kids.
Hey! Oh. God dang, that's your mother, you son of a bitch.
Ken, I told you to watch out.
This is...
Watch him, Ken. Watch him.
Well, that's what I thought when the males smell the females.
That's why. Buddy.
Popcorn, that's your mother. They don't give a shit about the food.
That's for sure.
She's hiding over there in the corner. She's a smart one.
Hey, how's my cross smell? God, it'd be bad if they're in their 17-day cycle.
I know, that's why I said that. She's scared, Ken.
Brown butt.
She's scared, Ken.
God,
It's like a train.
that's what they got the word.
Ken, that's enough.